Hello friends, it's your boy Praise Victor. So today we're not going to upload any comedy video today. I just want to show you the behind the scenes of our previous video. So please stay tuned and watch.
So you mean nobody knows how David killed Goliath in this class?
Uncle, I.
Okay, you. Good luck.
Uncle, do you want to know?
No, Uncle David, what that? David?
No, I do want to know. Okay, wait. Uncle, I'll tell you.
Then David got us.
David got us catapult. I'll be back. An ant Goliath's head. An ant Goliath's head. And drag it. And shoot it. Uncle, finally, now you know how David killed Goliath. Keep quiet!
Action.
Uncle, finally, now you know how David killed Goliath.
Okay, since there's no come, tear the sheet of paper, write your name and your matric number. I'll give you 10. Number 1. Cut the shot.
Hi. Yeah. Hi, I'm Masha Frank. Hi, I'm Masha Frank. What about you? Hi, I'm Masha Frank. What about you?
I'm Victoria.
Masha, it's about the action.
Okay. Hi, I'm Masha Frank. What about you? How about you doing around? If not, you have just taking you and I around this.
Madam.
What's up? You working now seriously?
I know you like this, you don't find mechanic. But our carpenter is having problem. Come, let's go and do it fast.
Mechanic! Mechanic!
Why do they laugh?
Okay, I'm going to give you $30 to leave my daughter alone. $30 million.
Go. I'll go take you.
Sir,
Hey, young man, don't smile. Action, chin up.
Sir, I was a live witness to what happened. I was passing by and I saw them driving rough anyhow, and they are drunk. They just drove into the gutter and.
Calm down. Sir, I'm a live witness of what happened here. That's right. Action, move it. Sir, I'm a live witness of what happened here. I was just passing by. Action, go.
Sir, I'm a live witness to what happened here. I was just passing by. I saw them driving anyhow, and they just drove into the gutter and died.
All of us, we are dead. Sir, Izela, we are dead. We have died.
Izela, it's only me and this one that is dead. Stand up now.
Sir, Izela, we are dead. All of us are dead. You give us that 50 million to the dead people. We are all dead.
Izela, it's only me and this one here.
Sir, you have already counted the both of us.
Sir,
It is only two of us that is dead.
Alright, thanks for watching that wonderful video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next Friday. Boom.